My dear brothers and sisters, today when we take our life, we are very busy. So busy with the world, with our work. We don't get time to be with the Lord. Even when we are in the church, so many things are going in our head, so many thoughts. Head, we are busy. Now we see Jesus. Jesus also was very busy in taking care of other people, healing them, curing them, forgiving people. And the disciples and Jesus were retiring because they were tired. And again Jesus sees some more people. He goes, preaches them. So Jesus was busy in doing his work, doing the mission entrusted to him by the Father. And then he was so generous and compassionate. His mercy is instant. He cures the people instantly, not delaying. Feels sympathy for them, and then he immediately cures them. So we are also busy, but we are busy with ourselves. We are busy with our work. We are busy with what pleases us. Not something that gives us pain or some effort that we have to take to reach God, but we are busy with our own self. Therefore, there is a quote which says, "All that tend towards me is death, and all that tend towards the other people is life." And that is what Jesus, his entire life was leaning towards the other people. He was for the other, standing for the welfare of the people, curing them, and then even revealing God's love and mercy to all the people whom he met. So busy with God's work, we are here busy with our own work. And what happens when we are busy with ourselves, our selfishness, and slowly we are not happy. There is no joy in ourselves. Even today we are so busy with the internet and the phones, we don't have time to relate to our own dear ones. We have phone. We don't even take the time to call our parents who are far away because we tend to say we are so busy with our work and so on. So even we are neglecting those people who are very close to us, even maybe life partner. No time to talk to, no time to share with. And as a consequence, we become moody. Sometimes it leads to depression. Sometimes it leads to addictions which cannot be changed. So today, Jesus is asking us to keep away all our busy schedule. Come to him. Offer our troubles. Offer our sorrows. And then Jesus is going to console us. Jesus is going to transform us. Jesus is going to heal us. And so, as we celebrate this Eucharistic celebration, let's be sorry for being so busy with our own self, busy with the world, and not caring for the people, even our people at home. So, consciously, let us offer all the thoughts that come into our minds, all that distractions into this altar, so that God may transform our troubles, our sorrows, and increase our faith, that we may not be busy with our own self, but become busy for other people, our own household, and our own relatives and our own friends.